Boom, there you go. I just threw you $900. Now think about it. What will you do with that money? Will you go on a vacation? Will you reinvest it into cryptocurrencies, start your own business, or maybe do YouTube automation? Well, we're gonna find out about a $900 a day strategy that is supposedly to make you rich.
So this is for those people who don't believe that you can make money using cash cow channels. This channel is literally making,
let's go, 10K a month. Perfect. That's all you need. 5 figures.
$10,000 every single month. And recently the growth has been exploding on the channel, so it's been bringing in more than
$863 with just one channel. That is very, very good.
A day, almost $900 every single day. So that's crazy. Imagine making $1,000 every single day for something that you don't even have to show your face in. So this is how much I'm getting paid for each 1,000 views. And that's what I'm going to show you how you can do the same right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 every single day by using a cash cow YouTube channel. You don't need a camera for this. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to make videos, and you don't need to speak.
Yeah, that's the model. We outsource all of the work to freelancers, and then we get the video as an end product. We upload that to our channel, and you need to take the profit if you have any.
Videos. What? How is this possible? I'm going to show you right now. Best of all, you're going to be paid through YouTube, so it works worldwide. If you're able to have a...
It does. However, I have some messages from viewers that DM me. They're like, yo, can I do this in this country? Then I tell them, you should check the YouTube partner program, see if it's available in your country, and then sometimes it's not available. So definitely check that if you're from a country where you might think the YouTube partner program is not available.
YouTube account right now to watch this video, then you can get paid by YouTube. It works with any payment method that you can imagine, and it's completely...
Yo, 1 million subscribers. Let's see if that's real. Probably not. I don't know this. You still got 94K though, so that's great.
So if you like the sound of that and you subscribe to the channel already, you know the drill. Click where I click, do what I do, and by the end of this video right here, you're going to be ready to start making money.
That's a big promise, but let's see if he can live up to the hype.
So I want to start off by showing you some insights, some analytics of this cash cow channel that I have. And as you can see here on the analytics, it's been making, this month alone, it made $10,000. And
interesting. Now guys, what I want to do, and I'm not saying that this dude is doing that. I know a lot of people that have channels like himself, this one, Mr. Rice, and then instead of showing the stats from a cash cow channel, they just blew up their personal channel and they'll show the stats from their personal channel. I'm not saying that he does that. I'm just going to check real quick if the stats that he's showing in the video that we're watching kind of are in line with his growth on his personal channel. Once again, I'm not accusing anyone of anything. I just want to see if that could be potentially a thing, because you gotta stay sharp with people online that, okay, yeah, that's exactly what I mean, guys. Like, honestly, look at this growth, all right? Brother, if you're watching this, let me know if I'm wrong here or I'm totally right. I feel like I'm right, though. Look, his personal channel starts exploding, which is insane, 1.8 mil, that's great. He's making good money there. But it started exploding September 8th up until 14th, so that week right there. The stats that he's showing right here are perfectly in line with that. So this right here is not a YouTube cash cow channel. This is basically his personal channel right here where he's talking about how you make money online. And there is nothing wrong with that. However, what I don't like is that he's saying that he's got a $900 a day cash cow method, and then it's just his personal channel that makes that money, which is totally fine once again. But then don't act as if it's a cash cow channel.
Oh, a dollar!
It'd be the same if I talk about the revenue on this channel or my other personal channel and act as if it makes like 10 grand a month, but it's not even outsourced. So this right there is not really the definition of a YouTube cash cow channel. And because of that, all this right there is kind of not gonna make sense anyway, but we're gonna continue watching.
Okay. Since the topics that I post have been blowing up, it's been making almost $900 every single day. As you can see here, this is not a screenshot. On the low end, when it was making a little money, it was already $146.63. Imagine if you could make the low end of this ad revenue. And the best of all, this is only ad revenue, which is not the most money you're going to be making. I'm also going to show you how you can use affiliate marketing with this method to make a lot more.
Interesting. Let's see if he's going to share his results from that as well. The thing is, once again, now that we know that it's his personal channel, you know, he got all the links here. He probably is making a lot of money with that. So you can still learn from this. It's just that it's not the cash cow.
I'm going to show you how you can skyrocket your channel with some free traffic from other platforms and still be able to monetize your channel. All right, so what is a cash cow channel? Cash cow channel is just a channel that you don't have to speak on it. You don't have to do videos. You don't have to appear on camera. It's just an automated channel that's...
Exactly. He said it himself there, and that's where it's going wrong, because he's using the stats. Once again, I'm not 100% sure, but if we objectively look at this together, guys, I guess we kinda all know what's going on, right? The views match up with his personal channel, the growth matches up with his personal channel. It's too much of a coincidence. He's a marketer, I totally get it, but it doesn't make sense. It's not fair in my opinion.
It's making you money while you sleep. That's a cash cow channel. And the first thing that you need to do to start a cash cow channel is obviously open a YouTube account. And all you have to do to open a YouTube account, if you don't know, just watch my playlist after this video, how to make money with YouTube.
I must say, his thumbnails look really good. The lighting, the concept of the stuff, it looks great.
And in that playlist, I have a video showing you how you can create an account on YouTube. It's very, very easy. And if you're watching this video, you probably have one right now. And with that said, what kind of videos should you be making? Well, since you want to make money, you need to choose a high-paying niche. And one of those high-paying niches
is the make money online niche. Let's see, he's definitely going to say that.
Finance. And I'm going to
pretty much, right?
Give you away for free my little secret. So I'm into finance, and all the cash cow channels I do are into finance as well. So this that I'm going to share with you right now is my personal strategy. Okay, so the way that I've been able to have the most success with this method is to use finance news and to use famous people as well. But don't worry, this doesn't infringe copyright or anything. As you can see, you can fully monetize the channel. All right, Reese, that's all great and all, but how do we get those news to make the videos? Okay, so what I do is I like to go into youtube.com and I like to search for famous people. One of the most famous people in the finance niche is Elon Musk. So he owns Tesla, and I just type in Tesla news in the search bar to find new things that Tesla is doing so I can make videos about that.
Yeah, using bigger names is definitely great, because think about it. Let's say that you're just starting your channel. You don't have any authority, you don't have any popularity, so what you could do is simply use someone else's name, make videos about them, and you kind of steal their authority, you can steal their audience, because that person that you're making a video about already has an audience. If you simply mention them, their audience is automatically going to be interested in your video, which is a great way to get some views.
So Elon Musk has just announced a new AI humanoid robot, and this video is getting 1,000 views every single hour, so it's obviously trending. Now, the way you get the news for this is you take this topic, so new AI for new AI humanoid robot. Let's type this on Google.
Interesting. Let's see if he's going to tell us that we should copy the script, put it in some software that's going to rewrite that script so that we got our YouTube video. I'm not a big fan of that. Let's see if he is.
And make the video about it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to go to a website called anyword.com. And what this website does is going to write...
Yeah, pretty much, but it's an AI tool. I'll tell you in a bit why I don't like that.
For you. So start for free. Click on the top right hand corner of the website where I just clicked right now. You want to click sign up. Oh, first you want to input your email and password, and you need to sign up to this AI robot. All right, now you need to verify your address. Okay, so now once you verified your address, it's going to take you to their website again, and you want to click blog wizard on the left hand side, and you want to click on new blog post. Okay, so when you hit the new blog post, what you're going to do is describe the blog post you want to create. What I'm going to do here is
yeah, these softwares are cool. The only thing is, like I just said, I don't like them because I don't believe that what they're going to come out with is going to be as good as simply hiring a scriptwriter. Obviously, if you don't have the budget for a scriptwriter every single video, then this stuff could help. If you do have the budget, don't try and cut it short. Just do it like you should. Hire quality people that produce quality work. Don't rely on any of these kind of tools.
I'm going to create something related to the AI robot that has just been released, and I'm going to link it to Elon Musk and Tesla. Okay, so implications of AI robots in our day-to-day life. All right, so I'm just going to do that. Business and finance next. All right, the name of the title of the blog post that we're creating is Tesla. This one is fine. All right, I actually generated a new title, The Perks of Having AI Robots in Our Society. This one is going to be a good one. So next. All right, so now it generated an outline for our blog post that we're going to be using to make a video. Click next. All right, so now it's asking me for an intro paragraph. I'm going to choose the first one because it has a better SEO. Click next. Setup is complete. Continue to editor. Okay, don't show again. Got it. Now what you have to do to generate your video script is click generate. Right on the right hand side here, you have to hover over your mouse down the bottom just to show the option to generate.
I see. Well, as you can see, once again, the tools work. They do work. The concept is good, but as far as I'm concerned, these tools are nowhere near good enough yet to replace humans to write the right scripts. The thing is, what you have to consider is not just about getting a random script done. It needs to be good. It needs to perform for YouTube specifically. So the way that you need to write it is based on YouTube algorithms, YouTube watch time. The higher your watch time, the more views you'll probably get. So because of that, you need to write your script in a way for YouTube viewers to watch it as long as possible. But that's not what these systems, these AI tools and stuff, are optimized for. And because of that, it's not going to get you the best results.
To generate, just click on it, generate video, generate script. Now you go down again, generate again. You're going to do this for the 5 key points of the video. Okay, so go down again, generate again. It has 5 key points and you have to generate all of them. All right, go down, generate again. If you notice, it's not showing the generate option.
It's interesting. It's an interesting space. Let's put it that way, because I kind of like how the software works and what they put together. I just still don't believe it's going to be as good, but we're about to find out.
If you notice, it's not showing the generate option right now, but when I hover my mouse over it, it shows generate. Okay, so I'm just going to click again, and that's the 5th and last one. Okay, so now all of them are generated. There are 421 words. If I want,
that's not a lot. That's nowhere near a long video. It's not going to make 8 minutes.
If I want more words, I can just click continue here.
Ah, there we go. They got a solution for that too. Because if you got 8 minutes, you can put multiple ads in your video.
And it's going to generate even more words for this specific point of the video. All right, that way it's going to give me more words to make the video even longer, to be able to earn more in ads. All right, so after you've done that, to copy the whole article, what you have to do is come to the right, come to the top, and you're going to click this button right here, copy blog post to clipboard. Just click on it, get a text file. All right, save your script somewhere. All right, so now we're going to go to a website called video.co, video spelled with W. All right, I'll leave the links in the pin.
Let's see if there are affiliate links. He's a marketer, so they're probably going to be affiliate links, or maybe not. Okay, so I can't see the links there. We got some links here. Probably affiliate. Oh, yeah, there you go. These are affiliate links, which makes sense. That's fair to him. The thing is, once again, I'm not hating on him, like, using those stats, but it's just, like, a bit, I just know you're, like, he's playing the game, and I don't, like, it's basically, like, hate the game, not the player, right? That's pretty much an example of this.
So once you hit this website, I'm going to copy part of the script just to show it to you. So I'm going to copy this part here, and I'm going to put it here, copy and paste it here, write your text here. What this website is going to do is going to take your text and it's going to read it for you.
Yeah, it's a text-to-speech. Honestly, once again, I would also stay away from that. I mean, this dude is showing all of these stuff that it's not optimized as a YouTube channel in general, and especially not for YouTube automation, because if you're not creating yourself, then you don't want to do the text-to-speech, because usually you're either not going to get monetized, and it's also not the right quality. If you're doing some sketchy tool to create a script, then some low-key sketchy tool to create a voiceover, and then probably some sketchy tool to do the video editing, honestly, yes, it might be like an easy way to make the videos, but it's not about that. Your video needs to be good. I'd rather spend an entire week doing a hard job, but I end up with a great video, than posting 7 times per week, but I make these like bad videos with all these easy to go softwares. It's not about whether it's easy or whether I can make it easy, it's about whether the result is going to be good. Obviously, the higher the result and the easier it is, the better, but that's not always possible. But I don't like this. Let's see the result from that text-to-speech.
All right, so preview. All right, so as you can see, it's reading the file, download MP3. That way you can download what you just wrote in there. Now, for the video, you need images. Where do I get free?
And videos. Storyblocks.com is a very good one. I don't do affiliates, but I use that myself. It's top-notch. Let's put it that way. Now, let me be honest here. Honestly, this video is alright. The strategies he's using, he's just showing us how to make a video. Great. He's a personal finance YouTuber. I get it. He's playing the game. But once again, I'm not a big fan of this. He's using tools that aren't the best in terms of performance for your videos, such as TTS and AI script writers. I'm not a big fan of those. And then he's putting together the videos. That is fairly decent. However, I just cannot really take this seriously anymore after figuring out that the stats that he's showing here, which he's pretending to be a cash cow channel and like not show your face and all that stuff, you know, like the stuff here, no camera, no need to show your face, all that stuff. And then he's showing his supposedly cash cow channel, but if you just go to Social Blade, you can easily figure out that these stats right there are from his personal channel, which, to be honest, he's getting insane views at. So that is insane. He's growing like crazy. So shout out to him for that. He's just a good marketer. He's playing the game. No hate for him himself. However, just be sharp. Just try and take a look at these things. Try and be critical against these videos so that you can figure out if it's real or not. Now, if you want to see some more reaction videos about YouTube automation, people, watch this video right here, and then I'll see you there.